Hello, friends. Hi, this is Ashish. Good morning. Now you can hear me? Is my voice fine now? Hello, Yogesh, Adarsh, Shweta, Divankar, Amit, Anil, Galaxy Siddharth, Ramesh, Ravi, Ronak, Hiren, Malkan. Okay, I'm loud and clear. Thank you. Mukesh, Shalini, Suresh, Kishore, Praveen, Ashish. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. And we'll be talking something related to stocks only. Okay. This is a casual session. I thought we will do some session today. And we'll be talking about stocks. Let's see if we can pick up some good stocks. And this is a session which I was thinking कि अगर आपको कोई query है, if you want to ask some related to stocks, because I see a lot of people little they wanted to know about stocks, they wanted to know about trading, how they can pick up the stocks, how they can do the trading, right? So I'll try my best to give you some of the best knowledge. And इसमें हम कुछ stocks के बारे में देखते हैं. If you have any questions, if you have any queries related to stocks, I can share my view also. Like if you're planning to short some stock, or if you're planning to buy some stock, and if you want my view also on that, so this is a session where you can ask, like I can share my suggestion also, like I'm expecting this stock to go down, or I'm expecting this stock to go up. Okay. Mahadevan Swami, Mahadevan, I'll answer it, don't worry, I'll answer it. Yeah, Anand, it will be available, Anand, don't worry. If you're in office, don't worry, you can go on mute, but the session recording will be available, don't worry. You have 300 stocks. Mukesh is saying you have 300 stocks. I'm so sorry, Mukesh. I'll not be able to answer 300 stocks, but yes, I'll be sharing. And 300 stocks, please don't go that way. Devashit, very good afternoon. Please give me some idea about idea or on SBI for buying, for shorting. SBI is not the good stock. As far as the fundamental is concerned, SBI is not a good stock, guys. SBI is not. Personally, I'm not liking SBI. Personally, I don't like SBI. I took the loan from SBI. I'll tell you one of the example. Long time back, this is not recently, but long time back, I took a loan from SBI. On that 1 lakh rupees, I paid them 3 lakh rupees within 1 year. Within 1 year. It is not a good company. It is not a good bank. Okay. I like to be on pharma. I have Reliance Pharma, mutual fund. Mutual fund, Sandeep, I never suggest you to go with the mutual funds. Abhi to pharma stocks ऊपर जा रहे हैं, so everything is going on the upside. You will look कि हाँ ये pharma अच्छा चल रहा है, सारे stocks अच्छे चल रहे हैं. अभी आपको mutual fund भी pharma का संदीप वो अच्छा returns दे रहा होगा, because everything is going on the upside as far as the pharma is concerned. But there are better opportunities than mutual fund. Why you are going for mutual fund? Yeah, 80 rupees. I'll answer. Let's go step by step. Okay. Otherwise, सब कुछ mix हो जाएगा. Let's go step by step. And we'll see if I'll share few of the पहले एक sector का analysis कर लेते हैं, right? Let me see the broad picture. Are you still bearish? I'm still bearish here. I'm still bearish, Arjun. Till the time market all time high के ऊपर closing नहीं देती, I'm still bearish on the market. But Nifty नीचे नहीं जा रहा है. That is the biggest problem. And Nifty नीचे नहीं जा रहा है. The reason is because we all know that it is Reliance. Reliance is not taking Nifty down. Okay, so we'll talk about that in detail. And we'll talk that in detail. And let's see. You're confused on Modit message, but subscribed you and relative strangles with loan as my father has. Okay. All right, Ronak. Thank you. Thank you for believing on me. Okay. And I hope you have you completed the course, Ronak. How many of you have still not completed the fundamental analysis course? Tell me, guys. And how many of you have completed it? How many of you have completed, and how many of you have not completed it yet? Completed, I've done, completed, not yet completed, not yet. And do select all panelists and attendees, guys, so that everyone can see your chat, right? जहाँ पे chat box है ना, chat box में there is an option called all panelists and attendees. So if you select all panelists and attendees, everyone can see your chat. It will be a good interaction in our class, right? We all are students. We all are listening from each other, right? So, okay, so I can say almost 80-85% of the people have completed it, right? So still, if you have not completed it, do complete it. And Manish, yes, I'll work on that, Manish. My team told me that you have sent an email also. I got your email. Don't worry, Manish. But where to watch Open Demat account video? Please share me the link. Okay, Harikant, it is there in the same. I'll answer. Okay, let's do one thing, guys. Step by step चलते हैं. Otherwise, बहुत सारे questions mix हो जाएंगे. There are a lot of people in this class. Okay, this is just an casual session. We are doing it. Okay, just a casual session. If you have any queries related to the टेक्निकल्स, अभी हम फंडामेंटल्स के बारे में आज बात नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज अ टेक्निकल सेशन. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज, इफ यू हैव एनी कंसर्न रिलेटेड टू द टेक्निकल की स्टॉक ऊपर लेना चाहिए या शॉर्ट करना चाहिए, आई विल शेयर माय व्यूज ऑन दैट. So it is just a casual session. First, let me share the screen and then we'll start it. Okay. So as of now, I'm not seeing chat, guys. If you're writing something, I'll not be able to see the chat. So please don't write it for the next few minutes. एक बार ये कवर कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद I'll try my best to give you the all the answers. Okay, so let's go by sector by sector. You can see the screen, right? Okay, you can see the screen. आपको दो screens दिख रही होंगी. One is my view, second is the another view. On the right side, I'm available. On the left hand side, the screen, computer screen is available. So अगर आपको उसको merge करना है, थोड़ा सा आपको space चाहिए, तो आप उसको drag and drop कर सकते हैं, right? In the center, there is a line where you can see me and the chart. In the center there is a line. So अगर आपको उसे कम ज्यादा करना है, you can drag it and do that. Okay, it will help you. My voice is low. I believe my voice is fine, right? Okay, so let's start it. Go by sector. Market as to market is down, right? But again, the biggest problem is only the bank nifty is down, guys. Nifty is not coming down. Why Nifty is not coming down? Because we are holding the position in Nifty from last almost 1 month. Okay, so that's the reason Nifty ko Reliance is taking on the upside, and Mr. Reliance is going up. Every day it is going on the upside. So that's the reason Nifty is not coming up. But Nifty, agar aap dekhen, let's start with Nifty and Bank Nifty first. See, this is a Nifty chart. Okay, this is a Nifty chart. थोड़ी सी broad picture देखते हैं Nifty की, and let's understand where the Nifty is, and let's understand where the market is. Let's understand where the sectors are. Let's go by sector, and then we'll come to individual stocks. So this is a Nifty. This is from the Nifty where it started following down. Okay, and after that, if you'll see, Nifty is almost more than 60-70% of the recovery is already done in Nifty. Yeah, almost 70% of the recovery is already done in Nifty. That is a good part. But if I'll talk about Bank Nifty, let's see Bank Nifty. People are thinking market is going up, but market, if you see the broad picture, market is going only because of few stocks. Like in case of Nifty, if I'll talk about Nifty, it is only Reliance which is taking the market on the upside. Yeah, every other day Reliance is up by 2%, 3%, 4%. They're selling their stakes. So it is like creating an hype right now, right? It is just creating an hype. So it is not advisable. I'm not advising you to buy Reliance as of now. Please don't do that. And if I'll go to Nifty Bank, let's see where the Nifty Bank is. See, if you see the Nifty Bank picture, Nifty has not even recovered the 50%. If you see Nifty has not even recovered 50%. Sorry, the Bank Nifty. See, sorry, this is a Bank Nifty chart. तो बैंक निफ्टी का अगर हम चार्ट देखें, बैंक निफ्टी हैज नॉट इवन रिकवर्ड 50%, whereas Nifty has already recovered 70%. It clearly means it is because of one or two stocks only. बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स, ऐसा नहीं है कि मार्केट, ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि मार्केट ऊपर चले जाए और बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स ऊपर ना जाए. बैंकिंग इज द वन मेजर सेक्टर विच ऑलवेज गो वर्क अलॉन्ग विद द मार्केट, राइट? जैसे कि पिछले कुछ सालों में आपने देखा होगा, फार्मा सेक्टर वाज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग, but market was going on the upside. Yeah, Bank Nifty was going on the upside, but pharma sector was not performing earlier, last year or before that, right? But Bank Nifty ऐसा sector नहीं है कि market ऊपर जा रहा है और Bank Nifty perform नहीं करेगा. It is not possible. Bank Nifty always works along with the market because there are a lot of banking stocks. So it is not possible. As you can see clearly in the screen, market, Bank Nifty has not even recovered 50%. Whereas Nifty has already recovered more than 70%, right? So it clearly means there is few stocks which are taking market on the upside. And so let's go by sector. If I'll talk about pharma is on the positive side. So if you're taking any position in any of the pharma stocks, please don't short it. Pharma is the sector which is positive on the long term, okay? Yeah, Surajit, recording will be available, don't worry. Okay, pharma is the sector which is on the upside. So don't take any short position in any of the pharma stocks. Always try to create a long position in pharma stocks. Okay, this is how we do. This is how we do. See, for example, if अगर आपको कोई फार्मा स्टॉक है और फार्मा स्टॉक में आपको शॉर्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, आपका कोई भी एनालिसिस है, सी आई ऑल्सो यूज वन ऑफ द एनालिसिस इन माय टेक्निकल क्लास, माय टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट्स नोज दैट अगर आपका भी कोई भी रिसर्च है, कोई भी एनालिसिस है, जिस तरीके से आप स्टॉक्स को देखते हैं और उसके बेसिस पे इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग एनी फार्मा स्टॉक्स एंड दैट इज कमिंग इन योर शॉर्टिंग लिस्ट, please still avoid to short because the sector is on the positive side. Yeah, hope it is clear. The sector is on the positive side, and if you're getting any pharma stock to take a short entry, please avoid it. But if you're getting any stocks to take a long entry in pharma, then go ahead. Okay, so this is how I also trade. Nifty media is on the downtrend. So if you're getting any media stocks, like Z is my favorite. Anytime I get a short entry in Z, I always try to short it. Okay, so media stocks are on the downside, pharma is on the upside. Nifty is still, I'm not very bullish on Nifty as of now, till the time Nifty will not close above to these levels. Nifty is making all of us confused these days, and a lot of people are holding short positions in Nifty. That's the reason, another reason market is not going down. But abhi bhi main market mein bullish nahi hu. I'll change my view if Nifty close above to these levels. If Nifty close above to these levels, then I'll change my view. Okay, but as of now, I'm still not bullish in Nifty. Okay, as far as reality is concerned, reality is still on the bullish side. Thoda sa bullish hai. So if you're getting any stocks under this sector, don't short it. Don't short it as of now. Only short the stocks where the sector is also on the downside. जहां पे sector भी जा रहा है नीचे और स्टॉक्स भी नीचे जा रहे हैं, वहां पे शॉर्टिंग पोजीशंस लीजिए, और जहां पे सेक्टर भी ऊपर जा रहा है और स्टॉक्स भी ऊपर जा रहे हैं, वहां पे बाइंग पोजीशन लीजिए, राइट? सो लेट्स गो बैक टू PSU बैंक. PSU बैंक इज ऑल्सो ऑन द अपसाइड. So PSU bank is also on the upside, reality is also on the upside, pharma is also up. Three sectors, these are the three sectors which are on the upside as of now. Okay, if we'll see metal is on the downside. IT, if you remember guys, in one of our inner circle class also, this is white line, this white line, if you remember, this is the area where I told you that the IT will go on the upside, right? This white line, and there, this is the level where we bought few IT stocks also, jahan pe humne TCS liya tha, NIT Technology liya tha, right? So these are the stocks, and now you can see IT is on the upside. So IT is still on the upside. If you're getting any stock under IT to short, please don't short. But if you're getting any stock under IT to go long, yes, go take the position. Okay, mid cap is still on the downside. MNC is on the upside. This is PSC is still on the downside. FMCG is on the upside. Infra is still on the downside. Auto is still on the downside. Auto stocks are still on the downside. As a sector, I'm talking about energy sector is still on the upside. Okay, growth sector is still on the downside. Commodity sector is still on the downside as of now. So consumption still on the downside. Nifty bank is still on the downside. Still my view is still bearish on Nifty bank. Okay, finance sector, fin service is still on the downside. And the last sector is service sector. This is still on the downside. So out of, if you see these are somewhere around 15 to 20 sectors, out of 15-20 sectors, there are few sectors which are on the upside. Pharma hai, reality hai, PSU bank hai, and I think energy sector hai. So these are the 3-4 sectors which are on the upside. Other than these, rest of the sectors are still on the downside. Okay, is it clear till now? So what does that mean? That means अगर आपको इन sector से कोई भी stock मिल रहा है, so only go long. Okay, only go long. But if you're getting any stocks other than these down sectors, take short positions. Clear? I'll repeat one more time. अगर pharma sector है, pharma sector में अगर आपको कोई shorting positions मिल रही हैं, आपको लग रहा है कि इसको शॉर्ट करना चाहिए, ये नीचे जाएगा, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट, बिकॉज फार्मा सेक्टर इज ऑन द अपसाइड. ओके, सो द कंप्लीट सेक्टर इज ऑन द अपसाइड. बट अगर आपको लग रहा है फार्मा में कोई स्टॉक जो आपको लग रहा है कि यस दिस स्टॉक कैन गो ऑन द अपसाइड एज पर योर एनालिसिस, एज पर योर एनी एनालिसिस, देन टेक द पोजीशन. ओके, Nifty MX, Nifty still, I'm still bearish on Nifty, but Nifty is not coming down. Nifty is not coming down. I told you Nifty is not. Where is Nifty, guys? Kahan gaya Nifty? This is Nifty, right? Nifty till the time Nifty will not close above to this all-time high, I'm still bearish in Nifty. maybe I'm wrong, right? Maybe I'm wrong because but see, the only thing is, if you see Nifty and Bank Nifty is not moving on the upside. Nifty का अगर आप देखो, Nifty का if we'll use one of the very popular tool, एक tool हम use करते हैं यहाँ पे, that is called retracement tool, right? So if you apply the retracement tool from top till bottom, अगर टॉप से हम बॉटम भी इस रिट्रेसमेंट टूल को अप्लाई करें, इफ यू सी द निफ्टी इज ऑलरेडी अप बाय मोर देन 61%. या इट इज मोर देन 61%. इट इज ऑलरेडी रिकवर्ड. ऑलमोस्ट 70% निफ्टी रिकवर हो चुका है. बट व्हाई नॉट बैंक निफ्टी देन? बैंक निफ्टी क्यों नहीं रिकवर हो रहा? अगर मार्केट इतनी बुलिश है, सो व्हाई द बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स आर नॉट मूविंग ऑन द अपसाइड? Right? So I'm still bearish on Nifty. I'm still bearish on Bank Nifty. Till the time market Nifty will not close above to the all-time high, I am bearish. Yeah. So today also, if you'll see, Bank Nifty more than 600 points is down, but Nifty नीचे नहीं आ रहा है. Nifty नीचे नहीं आ रहा है. That is only reason is because of the Reliance. Reliance is the main stock which is going on the upside. Okay. Somebody asked for one of the stocks, one of the very popular stocks which we are holding in our portfolio. See, अभी यहाँ पर हम portfolio के बारे में discuss नहीं करेंगे because that is a fundamental class. But still, I'll tell you one stock जो हम लोगों ने hold किया हुआ है, that is called KEI. Yeah. Most of you might be holding that stock, KEI. I just wanted to tell you this thing, that KEI is a stock, if you're holding it, anytime you're getting good profit, please come out from that. Okay. Because I have sold few of my stocks in KEI and few stocks are still I'm holding it, which I'll be selling it in next few days. जब भी KEI मुझे थोड़ा सा ऊपर लगेगा, I'll be selling it. Why I'm doing that? That I'll share in the fundamental class. Okay, I'll not be sharing those reasons here. This is सिर्फ technical के point of view से हम बात कर रहे हैं. This is just a general discussion which we are doing it, not any formal thing. But yes, KEI में अगर आपको थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट आ रहा है, अच्छा प्रॉफिट आ रहा है, so try to book that profit. Okay, don't hold it for long term. This is just an FY. Okay, so these Sandeep, as I've already told you, banking I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish on banking. Okay, so now go back and let's see few of the stocks which I have picked it up. If you want to take a position, if you want to take position, I have a list of few of these stocks. I'll share few of these stocks. Okay, just give me 1 second. Individual stocks, I'll answer it. I'll answer individual stocks also. Just give me few minutes, guys. Let's go step by step. Okay. All right. So the first stocks which is there in my list, if you want to take a position, and that is called BHL. BHL is still on the downside. Okay. So this is the stock which is still on the downside. And if you want to take a position, this is the stock which you can take a position on the downside. This is a bigger time frame chart, but if you will see, this is the chart. This is a medium. This is a 1 minute chart, I believe. Yeah, this is a 1 minute chart. Just give me 1 second. Let me maximize it. Okay, let me make it to 30 days. So this is the stock. If you see from the last few days, it is coming down, down, down. And as of now, also my view is bearish in this stock. So if you want to take any position in this, Sensex may crash soon as bigger levels. Please share your view. Noor Patel, I've already shared my view. Noor, I've already shared my view on Nifty, Bank Nifty. Yeah, I'm bearish too. I'm bearish too. कैसे करें? आपने बोला था अकाउंट ओपन करने के लिए. हिरेन, just wait for few minutes because अभी I'll tell you about. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, just keep your questions ready. I'll answer all the questions, but in the last, because अगर आप बीच में कुछ करेंगे ना, तो वो फिर मैं भी मिस कर जाऊंगा आपका क्वेश्चन. So keep your questions ready. I'll answer about US stocks and everything. Okay, Hiren. So this is a stock which is my view is bearish. My view is bearish on this, right? So on BHL. So if you want to take any position in options or in future, I think this stock can go a little more on the downside. The stop loss, the trend. See, I'll tell you about my funda, how I trade. I always look two charts. Mainly, I look two charts. One is the bigger time frame chart, and another one is a smaller time frame chart. Those people who are there in my technical class, they knows very well हम लोग कैसे trade करते हैं, हम कैसे stocks pick करते हैं. But just to give you a broad picture here, Just to give you a broad picture here, I always look 2 time frame. एक bigger time frame का chart मैं देखता हूँ, it is weekly, monthly chart, and after that एक short term का chart देखता हूँ. जब मेरा weekly trend और monthly trend and my short term trend means जैसे 30 minutes का मैंने chart आपके सामने खोला हुआ है, ये match होते हैं. If the monthly chart or the weekly chart is also telling me it is in downtrend and my intraday chart is also telling me it is in downtrend, I'll create a short position. Right? So levels जो होते हैं ना वो that is not more important for me. See, understand this point of view. किन किन के साथ ऐसा हुआ है लाइफ में मेरा स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ और स्टॉक उसके बाद रिवर्स कर गया? किस किस के साथ ऐसा होता है? और काफी बार होता है ऐसा. How many of you have observed this thing कि मेरा स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ और फिर से प्राइस चले गया? राइट? किस किस के साथ ऐसा होता है कि मेरी एंट्री मिस हो गई सिर्फ ₹1 से? एक दो बार होना इज फाइन. If it is happening 1 or 2 times, then it is fine. But if it is happening lot of times, किसके साथ ऐसा होता है? I missed an entry by just ₹2 or ₹1 or 10 paisa. Just by 10 paisa, I missed it, right? And my stop loss hit it, and after that, stock got again moved in the same direction. If these things are happening with you, I always suggest you create an option strategies, guys. For example, see, this is a stock, okay? This is a stock where my view is bearish. Okay, let's take an example. इसी stock की बात करते हैं. इस stock में मेरा view bearish है. For example, ये वैसे भी है. It is not an example. It is my view is bearish, right? So what I'll do is level is not important for me. For me, if you'll ask me what is your stop loss, it is not important. How come? How come this is possible? ऐसा कैसे possible है? क्या मेरा कोई stop loss नहीं होगा? What I'll do is, for example, BHL is trading at somewhere around ₹36, right? My view is bearish. I'll sell ₹40 की कॉल. मैं 40-45 रुपीस की कॉल जिसका प्रीमियम मुझे थोड़ा सा ठीक लगेगा, I'll sell it. I'll sell that call and I'll also hedge my position by buying another call. Right? By buying another call. So in that case, अगर मेरा 1-2 रुपए का लेवल हिट भी होता है, 1-2 रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस हिट भी होता है, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. Are you getting this point? Right? For example, I'll give you a live example. One of the trade which we had already took the position is Nifty. Nifty में हमने short positions बनाई थी, yeah, and that trade is going against us. And that trade I took is somewhere around almost 1 month हो चुका है उस trade को हमें लिए हुए, right? Almost 1 month हो चुका है. And if you see from that point of view, I'm still holding that trade. Why I'm holding that trade? Because I know that maximum I can lose is somewhere around 7 to 8% of my capital. That's it. That's it. Nifty यहां से कितना भी ऊपर चले जाए, कितना भी मेरे अगेंस्ट चले जाए, the maximum I can lose is 7 to 8% और maximum 10%. जो भी मुझे उस ऑप्शंस में ग्राफ में दिख रहा है, right? So it doesn't matter to me. These levels are not important. So if this is happening with you, अगर ऐसा आपके साथ हो रहा है कि मेरा ₹2 से मिस हो गया, स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया और लेवल्स दोबारा ऊपर चले गए और मैं ₹10 से एंट्री मिस कर गया, गाइस ये हो रहा है और आगे भी होता रहेगा. You have to figure it out how to solve that. And how to solve that, I'm giving you the solution. Come into options market and create an option strategies. Create an option strategies. This will definitely help you. Hedging is better. Rashmi is saying, and guys, please write all panelists and attendees so that everyone can see your chat, right? Everyone can see your chat. Rashmi is asking, what is better, stop loss or hedging? Hedging is better. Hedging is better because in that case, understand, guys, आज मैं यहां पर हूं, आज मैं कल को ट्रैवल कर रहा हूं, कहीं भी हूं, it doesn't matter to me if my stop loss is getting hit because I know that my maximum which I can lose is somewhere around 8 to 10% of my capital. यहां से मार्केट 10,000 पॉइंट भी ऊपर चली जाए, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me because maximum I will lose is 8 to 10% or 5% or 4%, whatever जो भी मैंने hedging करा है उससे जो भी निकल कर आ रहा है. I know that is what maximum I'll lose. And the best part is, kabhi na kabhi, if 1% chance, only 1% chance, if the market again comes in my favor, I will make money. That is the second benefit. Third benefit is, if still the market is not coming in my favor, I'll try to adjust those positions. That is how big players trade. That is how big players trade. See, in case of example, in case of Nifty also, Nifty की position जब हम लोगों ने ली थी, why I'm sharing you the bad example, because it is only learning is only possible from the bad examples. जब सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा होता है ना, तब हम कुछ नहीं सीखते. If the trade is going in favor of us, we will not learn anything. We'll learn only from the mistakes. Yeah, so that is why I'm sharing one of the bad. There are a lot of good examples also. There are a lot of good trades which we have taken in the last few months. But one of the trade which goes against us is a Nifty trade, right? And when the trade which we took at that time, अगर आप उसका ग्राफ भी देखेंगे, it is there in the Telegram channel. We was in a loss of somewhere around 30%. 30% capital हमारी loss में जा सकती थी. That was the trade when we started that trade. But after that, as soon as the trade goes against us, I did an adjustment. मैंने उसमें एडजस्टमेंट करी, एंड सेम एडजस्टमेंट आई हैव शेयर्ड इट इन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल आल्सो, एंड इन दैट एडजस्टमेंट आई एम मेकिंग समवेयर अराउंड 70-80,000 रुपीज ऑफ प्रॉफिट. वो जो एडजस्टमेंट करी थी उससे 70-80,000 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट आ गया, राइट? उससे जो प्रॉफिट आया, नाउ माय कैपिटल जो मेरे को लॉस 30% का हो रहा था, दैट इज रिड्यूस्ड टू नाउ 7-8% ओनली. 7-8%, right? Yeah, it is always same quantities. Venkatesh, always take the same quantities. If you're hedging, so always take the same quantity. So ये जो stop loss hit हो जाता है ना, मेरे पास कई बार फोन आते हैं. Yeah, recording is available, Pawan. Don't worry, recording is available for this. So whenever you, मेरे पास कई बार फोन आते हैं, you must have observed this thing, guys. I have observed it because मैं भी उसी फेस से निकला हूं. मैंने भी ये सब चीजें देखी हैं. मेरा लेवल मिस हो गया, 2 रुपए से मिस हो गया, 50 पैसे से मिस हो गया, मेरा स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया और मार्केट ऊपर चले गई, राइट? कितनी बार ऐसा हो रहा है ना, आगे भी होता रहेगा. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ऐसा नहीं होगा और आप सब ठीक कर लेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस फ्रॉम माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ लास्ट 8 to 10 years. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. वो लेवल्स आते हैं, हटते हैं, हर बार होंगे. 2 रुपए से मिस हो रहा है, 50 पैसे से स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो रहा है. ये होता था, होता है और होता रहेगा. द सॉल्यूशन टू दिस इज take the trades in options and take the always hedge your position from day one. In all the webinars I'm telling you, hedge your position and be relax. अब यहां से मार्केट कितना भी अगेंस्ट चली जाती है, doesn't matter to me, right? Yeah, we'll do one session, Mr. Roy, on that. See, so as of now my view on this is BHL. BHL का view मेरा negative है. So if you'll again ask me what is my stop loss, yes sir, you always told. Yeah, Amol, sir, explain hedging in Hindi. Okay, I'll take that. No, you don't need more cash flow, Marshall, you don't need more cash. That is the biggest mistake. I'll do one session in hedging very soon. Let me do one session on hedging on next week. Are you in, guys? Are you in? Let me do one session on hedging next week. I'll do it very soon. I'll do it on next week. That is the biggest myth people having it. Biggest myth. उन hedging में सबसे बड़ी myth पता है क्या लोगों के दिमाग में? There are 2 myths related to hedging people having in their mind. One is the more capital is required. Yeah, if I need to hedge my position, more capital is required, which is not true. I'm telling you, I'll prove you, which is not true. Second thing, people think that my profit will become less. My profit, if I'm having 10,000 rupees of profit, that 10,000 rupees of profit will become to 6,000 rupees. That is again not true, and I'll prove you. Okay, so I'll do one of this session very soon on hedging. We'll do it. Pakka, I'll do it. Okay, so this is BHL, one of the stocks which my view is negative. If you want to take any position on this, you can do that. Let me move further. Okay, which is there in my list? Another stock which is there in my list is IBUL Housing, India Bulls Housing. This is another stock which is there in my list. As far as my view is concerned, I'm bearish on this stock also. Okay, I'm bearish on this stock also. Second stock which so if you want to take any short positions, अगर आपको लग रहा है मुझे लेनी चाहिए short position, I'll suggest you to pick up from these particular stocks. Okay, so that is what I'm sharing this list. ONGC is another stock which is there in my list, and another stock is Sun TV. These are the stocks. If you want to take any short positions, these are the 4 stocks which I have picked it up. Okay, अगर आपको लगता है जिस भी एनालिसिस से आपको लगता है, अपना भी एनालिसिस इसके ऊपर लगा लीजिएगा. मेरा कुछ एनालिसिस है. Technical people knows that how I filter my stocks. So if your view is also going in favor of my view, then these are the 4 stocks where you can take a short positions. Okay, and there is one stock where I think if you want to go long, अगर आपको buy position बनानी है, this is the stock, Titan. Okay, so Titan is the stock where if you want to take a long position, then Titan is one of the stock where you can take a long position. And if you want to take short positions, these are the 4 stocks from my list. Clear? Okay. Debashri, this is not the class for the long-term investment. This is not a fundamental class, guys. Okay. One future short of Reliance and HCL of August have great loss. Very nervous right now. Shorting, Raga. I'll repeat one more time. BHL, India Bulls Housing, ONGC, Sun TV. Okay. Yes. Prasenjit. Yes. Recording will be available. Okay. BHL, India Bulls Housing, ONGC, and Sun TV. These are the stocks which are there in my list as far as I'm bearish is concerned. And Titan is the stock where I'm little bullish. Okay. Titan is the stocks where I'm little bullish. Please remember, guys, this is not a fundamental class. तो ये fundamental के point of view से मैं नहीं बता रहा हूँ. These are only stocks related to trading. If you want to take any trades related to trading, this is my list for the next few days. Okay. Okay, now let's move further. And I have one future short of Reliance and HCL of August having great loss. Please suggest. Very nervous right now. I'm new student of your. I can't see your name. Your name got missed. 1 second, guys. किसका था ये question? Puneet. Yeah, Puneet. See, Puneet is saying Reliance and HCL both are on the upside. Puneet. Reliance or HCL both are on the upside, guys. Palak, don't worry. As I said, I'll be doing one of the session on hedging. I'll be doing a session on hedging very soon. So if you have any question, don't worry. अगर आपको hedging के बारे में नहीं समझ में आ रहा, I'll try to do one of the sessions on hedging. Okay, Reliance is on the upside. Puneet was asking that. See, Reliance, guys, अगर आप ऐसे stock को short करोगे, so how can I say, Puneet? Yes, it is still on the upside, Puneet. It is still on the upside. See, that is the biggest problem. See, अगर मैं आपको बोल दूंगा, अब आप अपनी position खत्म कर दो और कल ही वो stock गिर गया, so you will blame me, Puneet, right? कि यार ये तो stock गिर गया और आशीष ने बोला था. अब see, the stock is already on the upside. Stock is already on the upside, but I don't know about tomorrow. But yes, as of now, the trend is on the upside. So either यहीं पे problem होती है. अब I don't know whether you are holding this position in options or in future या आपके पास कोई hedging करी हुई है. I don't know that. So अगर आपने hedging करी होती, so future है आपके पास. So future में आपने short किया हुआ है, naked no hedging. It is better to come out, Puneet. It is better to come out. Loss बढ़ता रहेगा. Otherwise कोई hedging कर लो फिर या तो उसके साथ. 28,000 rupees till month. Great, Santosh. Santosh is saying, I want to thank you. After learning fundamental class last month, I have earned 28,000 rupees this month till late. Really, thank you. Thank you, Santosh. Great. Clapping for you. Right? And Santosh, all these feedback, guys, write these feedbacks in the comment section of the course also, right? Santosh, please write these and share your trades so that other people will get motivated and they will also learn from each other. Share जो भी आपने trades लिए थे, share it with other students. Other student will also see कि हाँ, that is what I'll learn it from others. So हम भी संतोष से कुछ सीखते हैं and other people will also learn it, right? So it is not only a community where I'll be teaching you. It is a community where we all are learning. So give blessings, give some love to Santosh and write congratulations Santosh in the chat box, right? All of you, please write congratulations Santosh in the chat box. Yeah. So it is a community where we all will learn from each other. Okay. To technical class, I'll share those details. Those who want to join technical class. Okay. And if you are also having some kind of a good positions try to share all those things in the comment section of the course so that we'll all motivate each other, we'll learn from each other. Maybe Santosh can share his trades, right? Other people, if you have booked some good profit, or not even a good profit, guys, it is not about 28,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees. Like I'll tell you one of the example of myself. Abhi I'm doing one of the research on penny stocks. Okay, I'm doing a research on penny stocks कि penny stocks को कैसे खरीद सकते हैं, and I'm planning to build some course on that also. I'll be sharing those details with you if you're interested. So one of these stocks I picked it was and that stock went up. That stock went up somewhere around 40% from my level in just 4 days. In just 4 days, that stock went up to 40%. 40%. But Yogesh, all right. Yes, it was Hathway, guys. Yes, it was Hathway. Yeah, you guys are right. It was Hathway, right? So, but I'm not sharing those trades as of now because I am also learning it. Abhi मैं 100% I'm not confident. I'm not 100% confident as of now. So that's the reason I've not shared those trades with you. But as soon as I'll get the confidence, I'll definitely pass those things with you also. I'll definitely pass those things with you, right? But the point here is to tell you is that stock, as a percentage wise, it is 40% up. It is percentage wise, it is 40% up. But I'm holding only 20,000 rupees of stocks. मैंने ऐसा नहीं कि उसमें कोई 2 लाख या 10 लाख या 20 लाख रुपए लगाए थे, सिर्फ 20,000 रुपए लगाए थे. It is only 20,000 rupees, right? So it is not about money always. It is about learning also. If you are learning something good and you have learned something good, share those trades in the comment section. Share those ideas in the comment section of the course. Let the other people will also learn it from each other, right? Okay, now let's coming back to this, and now guys, tell me if you have any view on Hathway. Abhi so still I'm holding it, Yogesh. I'm still holding it, that sector. Reliance has taken a long position. Reliance ने उसमें काफी अपनी majority खरीदी है. So that is one of the reason, but there are other reasons also. Okay. Okay, so now I'll answer a few of the things. Yogesh, as soon as you'll get your double capital, come out. Because these are penny stocks, guys. Please don't keep it for long. Okay, Yogesh? Please don't keep it for long. These are just penny stocks. They are taking the market on the upside. कभी भी वो गिरने शुरू हो जाएंगे. अभी भी उसमें पिछले 2 दिन से सर्किट लग रहा है, right? So as soon as you get some good profit, come out. Volume is quite low. Don't worry, Puneet. If the volume is still low, don't worry. हमने कौन सा 10 करोड़ के shares खरीदने हैं? Puneet is saying, it is not a fundamental class, but still I'll answer this question. Puneet is saying, I found one of the stock called Jagdamba and Kanchi Korapuram, but the shares looks good, but the volume is low. Doesn't matter. Volume तो आ जाएगा. जब वो मीडिया में शेयर आना शुरू होगा, वॉल्यूम भी आ जाएगा. और आपको कौन से कितने शेयर्स खरीदने हैं? कितने शेयर्स लेने हैं पुनीत? 2 करोड़, 10 करोड़, 20 करोड़? Right? So it is fine. If the volume is low, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Till the time the stock is good, it is good. Volume तो अभी नहीं आ रहा ना, क्योंकि अभी वो stock अच्छा है, लोगों के नजरिए में नहीं आया. A lot of people don't know about that stock. Once that stock will start coming on the upside, a lot of people will start accumulating it. So volume आ जाएगा तब. Don't worry. Okay. Now please tell me about your new strategy. Which new strategy, Amol? You're talking about penny stocks? Doesn't it make difficult to sell stocks having low volume? It depends, guys, how much stocks you are holding it. Amit, again, the question is how much stock you're holding it. If you're holding a stock of 10 crore rupees and you're selling it, yes, tab to problem aayegi. Yeah, but if you're having a stocks of only 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees के आपके पास stocks हैं, इतना volume तो होता ही है हर stock में, I think. राइट इतना वॉल्यूम तो आज की डेट में ऑलमोस्ट 90% स्टॉक्स में होता ही है. तो अगर आप 10, 20, 50,000, 1 लाख के स्टॉक्स ले रहे हैं और उसका वॉल्यूम देख रहे हैं थोड़ा सा लो है, इट डजंट मैटर, राइट? Okay, so now please ask me questions related to technical. अगर आपको कोई technical stock के बारे में trend पूछना है, you tell me. But don't ask me questions related to fundamental, guys. Please, this is not a fundamental class. Okay, this is not a fundamental. How is demand supply zone different than support and resistance? Very good question, Ronak. Okay, very good question. Not getting good buy opportunity. Most of the stocks are far from weekly stop loss. Yes, Adarsh, that's the reason I have pasted only one stock. Go and look Titan. Okay, Adarsh, I believe you are part of my technical class, right? That's why you are saying that. So go and check Titan. Titan में आपको शायद एंट्री मिल जाएगी. Okay. how to identify a technical change, a lot of बहुत names निकल रहे हैं, sure other, how to find entry price. See यहाँ पे, see if you're looking trend of Lupin. Okay, so let's start with Lupin, guys. This is for Srinivas. Lupin, I believe, is on the upside. Lupin trend is on the upside. No, Lupin has started moving on the downside now. See, yeah. Lupin has started moving on the downside. Let's see how this weekly candle close, guys. Okay. Someone was asking about Lupin. So let's see, इस हफ्ते आप थोड़ा सा और ध्यान दीजिए इस कैंडल को. अगर ये कैंडल थोड़ी सी भी और नेगेटिव में जाती है, okay, this current week candle. Someone was asking about Lupin. I don't know about, I missed that person name. Yes, so just watch this candle. इस वीक की कैंडल, just hold it this week. अगर इस वीक की कैंडल भी आपको नेगेटिव दिखती है विनोद, okay, so then it is difficult time for Lupin. Okay, just watch this candle for this week. IndusInd Bank, okay, Bajaj Finance. I'll take 10 stocks, guys. Otherwise, तो बहुत सारे हो जाएंगे. IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finance. Just a second. Larsen, Glenmark. I'm randomly picking up, guys. जिसका भी नाम मेरे को दिख रहा है, I'm taking it. Glenmark, Federal Bank, Oro Pharma. Oh, 1 second. Tata Metallics. What else? PC Jewelers, SBI तो गंदा स्टॉक, वेरी गंदा स्टॉक. बहुत इन्होंने पैसे मेरे से खाए हैं, गाइस. रुचि सोया, okay, one of the favorites. Saurabh, Ruchi Soya is. It's a long story with Ruchi Soya. Yeah, just ignore this stock. Infi Raymond. Davis Lab. Nasdaq view is still bullish. Nasdaq का view तो bullish है, right? Someone was asking about Nasdaq. Tata Motors. IRCTC. N100. N100 is my favorite, guys. N100 is my favorite. N100 is bullish. Okay. So अभी इतना लेते हैं. Just see these stocks and then we'll move further. Lupin, I've already told you. Lupin का just watch this current week candle. If the current week candle is also going on the downside, then the Lupin trend will change on the downside. Okay, clear? IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank is on the downside. IndusInd Bank is on the downside. Don't create any long position in IndusInd Bank. If you're getting any short position in IndusInd Bank, my voice is fine, right? Yeah. Then go short. Otherwise, don't go long in IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank में long मत जाइए. This is stock. This is which stock? Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is on the buy side. बजाज फाइनेंस में अगर आपको कोई शॉर्ट एंट्री मिल रही है तो अवॉइड करिए, बट अगर आपको लॉन्ग एंट्री मिल रही है देन यू कैन टेक इट. ओके, सो बजाज फाइनेंस इज ऑन द अपसाइड. LT, Larsen and Toubro, is on the downside. It's on the downside. Glenmark is on the upside. Glenmark is on the upside. Okay. So again, just give me a few minutes, guys. अभी आप अपने यहाँ पे लिखते भी रहेंगे ना stocks. I'm not able to see that because मैं भी screen पे देख रहा. I'm not reading your chat. Okay. So just wait for a few minutes. I'll take 10 more stocks. Okay, don't worry. So Glenmark is on the buy side. Glenmark is the trend is on the upside. Federal Bank, the trend is on the upside. Federal Bank, the trend is still on the upside. So if you're getting short entry in Federal, don't take it. Long entry, yes. This is a good stock to go long. Oro Pharma. Oro Pharma is a good stock to go long, but the only problem is it is near to this C. काफी resistance है यहाँ पे, right? काफी रेजिस्टेंस आ रही है यहाँ पे, बट स्टिल आई विल नॉट सजेस्ट यू टू गो शॉर्ट. सी दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अदर प्लेयर्स एंड वी. अगर आप किसी को भी ये चार्ट दिखाएंगे, किसी को भी ये चार्ट दिखाएंगे, everyone will tell you, every technical analyst will tell you to go short, right? Because see, यहां से गिरा था, यहां से गिरा था, यहां से गिरा था, यहां से गिरा था, यहीं पे दोबारा आ गया, ये गिरेगा. But I'm still not suggesting you to go short. Still the trend is on the upside. Don't short it, guys. Don't short it. Don't short this Oro Pharma stock. But if you're getting long position in Oro Pharma, take it. Okay. This Tata Metallic is on the downside. Tata Metallic is on the downside. Infi तो देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. It is still on the upside. It is on the upside. Infi. Raymond is on the downside. Raymond is on the downside. Okay. Divis Lab is on the upside. Divis Lab में अगर आपको कोई भी short entry मिल रही है, don't take it. But अगर आपको long entry मिल रही है, then you can take it. Okay. This game is all about probability game. Stock market is all about a probability game. The higher probability is in your favor, you will make money. So अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, जैसे for example, this is the stock. This stock is what? Tata Motors. Tata Motors में अगर मेरे को long entry मिल रही है, I'll not take it. I'll not take it. अगर मुझे मिल भी रही है, मेरा analysis भी बोल रहा है, मेरी entry भी बोल रही है, सब बोल रहा है कि ये long entry है, but still I'll not take it. Why? Can someone tell me? Why I'm not taking a long entry in Tata Motors? If my analysis is saying कि हाँ ये ऊपर से जा सकता है, सब कुछ बोल रहा है. Yes, Gaurav, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yes, Karthik. Yes, the trend is on the downside. Sumit, absolutely right. No, it is not about fundamentals, Rashmi. We are not talking about fundamentals. आज हम fundamentals की कोई बात नहीं करेंगे. Because the trend is on the downside. Absolutely right. So if अगर आपको long entry मिल भी रही है, I'll not take. But मुझे अगर short entry मिल रही है, I'll take. This is how I trade. Right? अब वो लॉन्ग एंट्री शॉर्ट एंट्री कैसे मिलती है, ट्रेंड को कैसे पता लगाते हैं, दैट इज अ कंप्लीट कोर्स ऑन टेक्निकल, बट आई विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट दोस थिंग्स इन डिटेल. IRCTC is on the buy side. IRCTC, the trend is on the bullish side. The trend is on the bullish side, and it looks that it can go on the upside again. It can go on the upside again, right? N100 is my favorite. It is on the upside. See, अगर मैं N100 का आपको डेली चार्ट दिखाऊं ना, see, आप इसका चार्ट देख के बोल सकते हैं, सी हाउ मेनी रेड कैंडल्स आर देयर. अगर मैं आपको चार्ट सिंपली ये चार्ट दिखाता, विल यू टेक अ लॉन्ग पोजीशन इन दैट? अगर मैं आपके सामने चार्ट रख दूं, सी हाउ मेनी रेड कैंडल्स, दीज कैंडलस्टिक्स विल मेक यू कंफ्यूज. इट विल जस्ट मेक यू कंफ्यूज. और हम लोगों ने इसकी कहां पे एंट्री ली थी? रिमेंबर दैट? इज समवन रिमेंबर वेयर वी टुक द लॉन्ग एंट्री इन N100? No, it was not 644. Yeah, it was somewhere on 680. Amol, yeah, 680, 650. Here are the levels. यहां पे हमने कहीं इसकी लॉन्ग एंट्री भी ली थी. This white line. This white line is the area where we took the long entry. और अगर मैं आपके सामने ये चार्ट रखता, आप लेते लॉन्ग एंट्री यहां पे? किसी भी टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट को ये चार्ट दिखा दो आप, क्या आप लोगे इस पे लॉन्ग एंट्री, बाय एंट्री? हमने ली थी, और देखिए आज प्राइसेस कहां पर हैं. ये कैंडल आप देखो, ये कैंडल बोल रही है प्राइसेस नीचे जाएंगे, प्राइसेस रेजिस्टेंस के पास हैं. दैट इज व्हाट वी लर्न. दैट इज व्हाई आई ऑलवेज से डोंट फॉलो द क्राउड. डोंट फॉलो द क्राउड. इफ यू फॉलो द क्राउड, यू विल बी इन द सेम पाथ. डोंट फॉलो द क्राउड. वी डोंट फॉलो द क्राउड. एंड सी, अगर आप फॉलो करते क्राउड को, सो सी यहां पे आप शॉर्ट एंट्री ले रहे होते. वी टुक द लॉन्ग एंट्री एग्जैक्टली एट दिस एरिया, एंड एज ऑफ नाउ द प्राइसेस आर एट दिस लेवल. And it is just one and a half months only, right? Sir, please, LT Finance Holding. Okay, LT Finance Holding भी देख लेते हैं एक बार. Okay, LT Finance Holding. ITC देख लेते हैं. ITC. Cyril, you are again asking the fundamental questions, right? Cyril, you are asking the fundamental question. I'll answer the fundamental question in the fundamental class. This is a technical, so please ask the questions related to technical. Okay, Apollo Hospital. This is just a casual session. Okay, we are just identifying किस stocks में हम entry ले सकते हैं, और I'm just sharing my view with your view. अगर आपके पास कोई stock है, Asian Paints, Birla Corp, I can share my view so that it will help you also कि हाँ अगर मेरा भी व्यू आपके व्यू के साथ मैच हो रहा है देन इट मे बी गुड फॉर यू. Someone was asking Bajaj which PVR अभी थोड़ा सा ऊपर चले गया है. Okay, what else? Bata India. What else? DLF so I think it is a range bound stock. Okay, Sun Pharma, HUL, Sun Pharma. What else? Birla Soft, Vodafone Idea. छोड़ दो sir, Vodafone Idea को. DMart is a good stock. DMart is fundamentally it is a good stock. If you'll get this Hexaware, I think this is enough here. A lot of stocks we picked it up. Okay, so पहले हम इनका देख लेते हैं. कहाँ पे फिनिश किया था हमने? I think Divis Lab तक, Tata Motors तक, right? नहीं, N100 तक. So this is another stock. This is which stock? This is L&T Finance. L&T Finance is on the downside. L&T Finance is on the downside. Okay. ITC is on the upside. ITC is on the upside. So if you want to buy ITC, the trend is on the upside. Okay. Trend is on the upside. Apollo Hospital, the trend is on the downside. This is a stock where I'll not take a short position. In fact, the trend is still on the downside. Trend is still on the downside, but still I'll not take short position. There is one reason, and I believe my technical students knows that, why I'm saying that. I'll not share those reasons here, but yes, the trend of this is on the downside, Apollo Hospital, but I'll not short this stock. Still, I'll not short this stock. So I'll suggest you to avoid Apollo Hospital. Avoid taking short and long in Apollo Hospital. Okay. Then we comes to Asian Paints. Asian Paints is same stock. Asian Paint is a stock which is in the range bound, and I'm expecting it will continue to be in the range bound. See, आप यहाँ से देखिए, almost from 2019, guys, it is almost 1 year. Since year, सिर्फ अभी कोरोना वायरस का crash आया था, उसमें stock गिरा. Otherwise, it is trading in the range. Asian Paints. So it will continue to trade in the range. But yes, the breakout will be on the upside. Asian Paints का जब भी breakout आएगा, it will be on the upside. It will not be on the downside. That is what I can, as per my analysis, it looks. Abhi it is in range, but whenever the breakout will come, it will be on 90%, it will be on the upside. Okay. So this is how you can identify. This will help you also to know which side the breakout will come. PVR is on the upside. Bata India is on the downside. So Bata India is on the downside as of now. Bata India is on the downside. DLF is again, it is a range bound stock, but it is on the downside. So if I'll get a entry downside, I'll take it in DLF, but not the long entry. Sun Pharma is the only stock under pharma sector which has not moved up. Zyada move nahi kara hai Sun Pharma mein abhi tak, right? So if you'll see, so this is a stock where the stock is on the downside, but I'll not take a short entry. Why? Can someone tell me? The trend of Sun Pharma is still on the downside, but I'll not take a short entry. Why? Who will tell me? Yeah, Sumit, absolutely right. Sector is on the upside. Sumit, you're getting up. Yeah, Sumit, absolutely right. The pharma sector is up. Yes, Manoj. Yeah, Galaxy, absolutely right. The sector is on the upside, Amrita. Absolutely. So that's the reason. See, just understand how the bigger picture works. Just usko apne small picture ke saath collaborate karo. If these are matching, then you can take the trade. DMart is on the upside. On the upside, right? And it looks like it is a right time to buy some position in DMart. Yeah. One second, guys. DMart, I think, is the right time. Let me. DMart is trading at what level? 2025? Just a second, guys. And if I'll buy. I think DMart is one stock where I can take few stocks. If I'll take 25 stocks, that's come to under. Okay. Just a second, guys. Let's take a DMart. I'm just buying few of the stocks DMart. Okay. DMart. This is my personal. This is for my portfolio. Okay. I'm not trading. This from my portfolio point of view. Just from my portfolio point of view, I'm buying. How many stocks should I buy? How many stocks should I buy? If I'll buy 25 stocks, that will come to somewhere around 50,000 rupees. Yeah, 50,000 rupees के stocks बनेंगे. It is trading at 2023. Yeah, so 2023 into 25 is how much? 2023 is somewhere around 50,575. Okay, उसके बाद गिरेगा तो और लेंगे. But I'm just buying few stocks.
An order has been updated to
Yeah, it's executed. Okay, so I bought DMart for my
multiple
portfolio.
shares of
50,000 rupees of
symbol
stocks I bought it.
D M A
Okay,
R
so
T.
thank you. जिसने भी DMart लिखा था. I bought it at 2023. I bought it at 2023, Jagdish. Okay, अगर नीचे जाएगा तो और खरीदेंगे. But हाँ, this is the stock I bought it. Okay, Sandeep, good. Thank you, Sandeep, for giving me this opportunity. Hexaware is on the upside. Hexaware is on the upside. Okay, so that's it, guys. And good. Congratulations if you bought it, Sandeep. So a lot of stocks which we have picked it up today. And somebody was asking me about. Now we'll talk about some other thing, guys. Someone was asking me about the US stocks. Okay. US stocks के लिए see अभी there are few companies within India. There are few companies which are trading in US also, but उसको मैं अभी आपको suggest नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I have opened an account in one of the US company. Okay, I have opened an account in one of the US company. But I'm not suggesting you to open it as of now because I am still under the process. अभी मैं उसको check कर रहा हूँ. It will take time. और वहाँ पे open करना account ना, it is little difficult because you need to transfer the money and it is really difficult. अभी थोड़ा सा वो थोड़ा सा lengthy process भी है और वहाँ से पैसे withdraw करना भी it is really difficult. पैसे डालना भी difficult है और वहाँ पे charges बहुत ज़्यादा लगते हैं when you transfer your money from India to US company जो US broker है. तो वहां पर आपका बैंक बहुत आपके सॉरी गाइस बैंक आपके काफी चार्जेस काट लेता है. सो that's the reason I have not shared that as of now. But abhi recently Upstock is one company which is starting with this US stocks also, and even Zerodha is starting with US. So just wait for few more months. I think within the next 2 months they are coming with the US stocks also. So within from Zerodha or Upstock as a broker, you can trade from there. Right. So I'll just share what if still you don't have an account with Upstock or Zerodha, what I can do is I'll share that link in the chat box. And as of now, there is a very good bonus offer also running in Upstock. Okay. So I pasted a link in the chat box if you want to open a stock Demat account in Upstock or in Zerodha, because within the next 2 months they are planning to start the US stocks को भी आप इनके through purchase कर सकते हैं. Okay, so I have shared Upstock and Zerodha दोनों का. If you want to open an account, you can do that. और अभी Upstock में काफी offer भी चल रहा है. They are giving you free courses also. Okay, some 9,999,000 rupees of courses they are giving you free. So if you want to open an account, you can do that. Okay, so that is one thing to my problem. Mahadev Swami, that is I'll not able to answer you this thing here because वो हमारा एक another course है, उसके लिए मैं एक अलग से webinar करूंगा, वहां पे I'll answer it because this is not that course related to that course जो हमारा weekly expiry course है, right? Weekly expiry course में, but I'll answer you, don't worry, I'll answer you that question. Okay, don't worry, उसका मिल जाएगा आपको आंसर. बट यहाँ पे it is just a normal discussion जो हम कर रहे हैं, so I'll not be able to, otherwise वो strategy we need to discuss the complete strategy. Okay, all right. And yeah, Ronak absolutely right. Ronak is saying what is the difference between support and resistance, and what is the difference between a demand and the supply? Very good question, guys, because a lot of people think कि support and Ganesh, you will get a call from unable to upload in Upstock. I don't think so there is any big problem, Ganesh. उसमें जाके आप अपलोड कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज एक बार आप Upstock के कस्टमर केयर पे कॉल कर लीजिए, वहां से आपको कोई डेफिनेटली कोई ना कोई हेल्प कर देगा. या इट इज रिलायबल. हिरेन, Upstock is reliable. Upstock टाटा की कंपनी है, so it is a reliable company. Okay. Yeah, you can do that. Rajat, if you have opened an account with us, then I can help you. Okay, so if you have opened an account with us, Rajat, then I can help you. But if you have already opened an account with some other broker, then it is not possible for me to help you because वो उनके पास rights होते हैं, right? Okay, so then you can mail me. I'll help you. Okay. Okay, so what Ronak was saying is, what is the difference between a support and resistance, and what is the difference between a demand and supply? Very good question, guys. See, this is what it is. Support and resistance. हम लोग support and resistance पे काम ही नहीं करते. I don't look support and resistance. A lot of people, because see, that is the complete idea. What the whole crowd is doing, I'll not do it. I never follow these support resistance. See, if I'll show you this chart, what is the resistance? This is a resistance. This is a resistance, right? And I'll just give you an example. अगर आपने यहाँ पे लिया होता, so you must have taken a short position. I'll just give you a small example. See, if the price is moving like where it is demand, where is the pen? This is the pen, I believe. Yeah. So if prices, see, agar prices yahan se gir rahe hain, every time the prices are coming down from these area, so this is called a resistance area. This is a resistance area because the prices are coming down every time from this area, and this is the support area because the prices are going every time above from these level. So this is a resistance area and this is a support area. But demand and supply is something else. Demand means from where the new buying is coming. New buying is coming. Demand means where the new buying is coming. Supply means where the new selling is coming. That is the biggest difference. This is not the new selling. This is not the new buying. There is a difference between a new buying, new selling, and resistance and support. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? I have opened an account in Ninja, but using lowest broker plan, or but same plan they are offering for everyone. So shall I add an email to this question? See, this is the big Yogesh. This is the best plan as of now. Yogesh, this is the best plan as of now. Okay. Regarding account opening, just write me an email. MK, just write me an email. I'll ask my person to call you and he will help you. Okay. You have my email ID, Ashish Talk. Okay. So should we intraday trading? Intraday trading say better, Priyanka. Intraday trading is, see the problems with intraday. I also do intraday trading. How I do intraday trading? I normally do intraday trading on Thursday. Thursday is a weekly expiry. उसमें मैं intraday trading करता हूँ. मैं Wednesday को trading करता हूँ intraday mostly. I normally do intraday trading on Friday because these are the day which is working as per my strategy. Okay, so you need to understand few things. जो भी आपकी strategy, ऐसा नहीं कि किसी भी दिन आप आ गए, मंडे को आपने सिस्टम खोला, लैपटॉप खोला और आज मुझे ट्रेड करना ही करना है, ट्यूसडे को खोला, आज मुझे करना ही करना है. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू मेक अ प्लान फर्स्ट. आप अपनी पहले ट्रेडिंग बनाइए. व्हाट इज योर ट्रेडिंग, व्हाट इज योर सेटअप? आपके पास वो सेटअप है? मैं कहां बाय करूंगा, कहां सेल करूंगा, कहां बाइंग करूंगी, कहां सेलिंग करूंगी. उस सेटअप को बैक टेस्ट करिए. उस सेटअप को देखिए कि कब कब वो सही चल रहा है, कब कब नहीं चल रहा है, किस दिनों वो सही चलता है, वीकली सही चलता है या मंथली सही चलता है या इंट्राडे में सही चलता है. फिर उसको बैक टेस्ट करिए, फिर उसके रिजल्ट्स देखिए. देन यू एनालाइज इट, व्हाट डे आई नीड टू ट्रेड, व्हिच एंट्री आई नीड टू ट्रेड. इंट्राडे में द प्रॉब्लम इज द प्राइसेस विल गो in your direction but still you will not make money. How come? Because it will move only 5 rupees. आपने किसी स्टॉक को शॉर्ट किया है. Okay, let's assume you have shorted one of these stock and you are right also, that stock will go down. You are right, but still you will not make money. Why? Because that stock will not go down in the next 2 hours. That stock will not go down in the next 2 hours. That stock will go down tomorrow. वो गैप डाउन खुलेगा कल. See, you are right, but still you didn't make money. You getting my point? You're getting my point. So you are right, but still you are not able to make money because the stock is going in your favor, but it is not going within next 2 hours, 3 hours or 4 hours. It will go down tomorrow or it will go down next day, day after next day. So जब भी आप intraday trading करते हैं ना, उसमें the biggest problem is the time. You're timing the market. Never time the market, guys. जो ये हम timing करते हैं ना market को, timing the market means ये बड़े लोग भी बोलते हैं जो there are big traders who are trading in the US markets or everywhere, they always suggest this thing also, and I have also felt this thing practically that never time the market. Never time the market means कभी भी ये मत सोचो कि ये स्टॉक 2 घंटे में नीचे जाने वाला है, ये स्टॉक 4 दिन के अंदर नीचे जाएगा. You don't know that. ये स्टॉक नीचे जाएगा, आई नो. बेचल नीचे जाएगा, आई नो, बट आज जाएगा, कल जाएगा, 2 घंटे में जाएगा, 15 मिनट में गिरने वाला है या 15 दिन में गिरने वाला है. Nobody can predict that because when that stock will come down, when the selling will come. Can you predict the selling? आज आने वाली, अभी 2 घंटे के बाद वो एफआईज बेचने वाले हैं माल। पॉसिबल है ये प्रेडिक्ट करना? ये पॉसिबल है कि 2 घंटे के अंदर एफआईज बेचने वाले हैं? अभी उनके कॉल चल रही है रूम में एंड दे आर प्लानिंग टू सेल एसबीआई स्टॉक विद इन नेक्स्ट 1 आवर। दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बट येस द स्टॉक विल गो डाउन। उतना हम रिसर्च कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन इंट्राडे। Yeah, I do have Amod. I have to call technical course on that. Those who want to know about the technical course, guys, this is my course. I'll just share the link in the chat box. Yeah, Tapas, if you're buying N100, buy it for long term. Okay, yeah, you can still buy it, but buy it for long term. Buy it for long term. Long term means at least for 4, 5, 7 years. Okay. No, Bhavesh, again, the problem is Bhavesh is saying instead of selling call in BHL, can we buy put? See, if you're buying put, you're timing the market. You're getting my point, Bhavesh? Bhavesh. Okay, let me answer Bhavesh. Bhavesh is saying कि instead of selling the call in BHL, can we buy put? If you're buying a put, you're timing the market. अगेन आप टाइम कर रहे हो कि मुझे 4 दिन के अंदर मेरे प्राइसेस नीचे आने चाहिए, नहीं तो वो पुट 0 हो जाएगी। नेक्स्ट 10 दिन के अंदर वो प्राइसेस नीचे आने चाहिए, नहीं तो वो पुट 0 हो जाएगी। बट इफ यू आर सेलिंग अ कॉल, यू आर नॉट टाइमिंग द मार्केट। इफ द प्राइसेस विल स्टे एट दीज लेवल्स, स्टिल यू विल मेक मनी। इफ द प्राइसेस विल स्टे एट दिस लेवल, स्टिल यू विल मेक मनी। यू आर नॉट टाइमिंग द मार्केट। इट्स क्लियर? Yeah, Surajit, I'll just share that link for Bank Nifty options on expiry trade also. Okay, I have a discount code for that also. That is only for weekly expiry. जो weekly expiry में मैं trades करता हूँ, that is the course. Okay, so I pasted the link. One second, guys. I'll paste both the links, technical and Bank Nifty weekly expiry. Okay, Praful, as I told you, I'll be doing one of the session on hedging. Hedging कैसे करते हैं? It is not difficult, guys. Hedging is not difficult. आप hedging बस वो कभी करा नहीं है, सुना नहीं है, इसलिए आपको लग रहा है it is a difficult thing. It is not difficult. Next week we'll do a session on hedging, पक्का. It is not free. Vijay, it is not. Trade Tiger is not free. Okay. Do already tested demand and supply zone work or fresh demand and supply zone? Do already tested demand and supply zone also works, Ronak? Already tested demand and supply zone means demand and supply zone. It doesn't mean whether it is an old one or whether it is a new one. If it is a demand zone, it is a demand zone. Fundamental analysis course, it is a lifetime access. Malya, I need to see whether you have opted for lifetime access or not, but you are having an access for lifetime. Okay. Dividend paying company, should we access them? No, Rashmi, see, if these questions are coming are fundamental questions, guys, I'll not answer, please. But still, chalo, anyhow, one of the question I'll answer is, this is not a fundamental class, but still I'll answer it. Rashmi is saying ki, do I need to look the dividend paying companies? I don't look for it. आप डिविडेंड लेने आए हैं क्या यहाँ पर? थिंक फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। आपको डिविडेंड कमाना है तो इट इज बेटर टू गो इन एफडी एंड एफडी रख दीजिए आप बैंक के अंदर, अगर आपको डिविडेंड ही कमाना है, राइट? डिविडेंड इफ कंपनी इज गिविंग, इट इज गुड। डिविडेंड कब देती है कंपनी? फर्स्ट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग। डिविडेंड देना अच्छा होता है और डिविडेंड नहीं देना गंदा होता है। इट इज रॉन्ग, इट इज अ रॉन्ग मिथ, इट इज अ रॉन्ग assumption, इट इज अ रॉन्ग एनालिसिस। Whenever the company is having an extra cash, जब भी उनके पास एक्स्ट्रा कैश होता है, then they have to give dividends, right? And if the company is not having an extra cash, it doesn't mean it is a bad company. It doesn't mean that it is a bad company. हो सकता है वो अपना पैसा कहीं और, आज मुझे 100 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट हुआ, बट वो 100 करोड़ रुपए मैंने री इन्वेस्ट कर दिए, मैंने एक और अपनी ब्रांच बना दी, मैंने एक और फैक्ट्री अपनी लॉन्च कर दी, मैंने अपना एक और प्लांट लगा दिया, तो इट डजंट मीन इट इज अ बैड पार्ट, इट इज अ गुड पार्ट. इन द लॉन्ग टर्म द स्टॉक विल गो ऑन द अपसाइड, राइट? So that is why I'm saying, Rashmi, ignore these dividend parts. Just ignore it. It will confuse you. कि डिविडेंड आ रहा है उसके बाद गिर गया स्टॉक, डिविडेंड ऊपर गया उसके बाद, these are only for next few 2 to 3 days of होता है. I don't prefer these dividend things, right? Okay. Yeah, man, we'll do that. Screen area fundamental analysis code doesn't belong to Nifty 50 companies. Again, please ask me if you have any questions related to technicals, guys. अगर आपका कोई technical का question है, please ask me. Don't ask me the fundamentals question. This is just a normal session which we are doing it. Okay. Yeah, as of now, these are the companies. देवशीष यही अभी तक निकल कर आए. This for next few weeks. मतलब अभी 4-5 दिन के लिए. उसके बाद फिर हम will analyze how can I check Nifty Bank, Nifty data strength, while market time. How can I check Nifty Bank, Nifty data strength? I didn't get that. Nifty data strength means Kishore. Price for technical analysis, I've already pasted it. Tapas, it is 24,999. I pasted it in the chat box. Okay. The link is there in the chat box. Tapas. Price action ka bhi और Bank Nifty ka bhi. Sir, please about Gillette and DFM Foods. I've already purchased these two stocks. Please answer my query. Please answer technical analysis view. Okay, Gillette and DFM Foods. Gillette and DFM Foods. Okay, I'll take it. DFM Foods. And I'm sharing my technical view. Okay, अगर आपने किसी fundamental view से लिया है, so Gillette. I'm just sharing my technical view here. Okay. DFM Foods is on the downside. DFM Food is on the downside. See, this is what it is. Now people might be thinking कि ये यहाँ पर आया है, पिछली बार भी यहाँ से bounce आया था, इस बार भी यहाँ से bounce आया है, इस बार भी bounce आएगा. And you pick up those stocks. We don't do that. It is in the downtrend. It is in the downtrend. If I'll get a short entry, I'll still short it. मुझे यहाँ पर भी इसकी short entry मिलेगी, मैं अभी भी बेचूंगा इसे, अभी भी बेचूंगा इस लेवल पे भी जहाँ पे सब लोग बाय कर रहे हैं. Right? So this is on the downside, guys. DFM Food. Gillette is also on the downside as of now. But Gillette is a good company. I think it can go on the upside. So, but don't short it. इसको short मत करो. But अगर इसमें आपको buying opportunity मिलती है, अगर prices थोड़ा सा इससे ऊपर जाते हैं, then it is a good thing. Okay. Best company I'm planning to buy 360 call and 350 put for August expiry. For which stock? Venkatesh, for which stock? You're planning to buy 360 call and put, but for which stock? Motherson Sumi. No. Maruti is in the downtrend. Sukukumar, Maruti is in the downtrend as of now. It is going down. Sanofi. पहली बार सुना है स्टॉक. Sanofi India. This is the stock. Okay. I didn't heard this. It is a good stock here. It is moving on the upside. See? 7,767,675. Okay. Yeah, it is on the upside. Sanofi is on the upside. So don't worry. And I think it will move. It will not go below to these levels. जिस level से ऊपर बार-बार जारी है, I think it will not go below to these levels. It may be possible, but if it goes, then the trend will change. But as of now, the trend is on the upside. Okay, it is an MNC ad name changed. All right. That's why I said, I didn't heard this company name, Sanofi. All right. Demat account. Harikant, how to open a Demat account? It is there. Just I'll paste it in the link also. Otherwise, I'll show you how to open a Demat account. Okay, 1 second. I'll show you right now. If you have mailed me, I'll still show you how. Link तो मैंने उसके डाल दिए हैं. If you want to open a stock in Upstock वगैरह, I pasted in the chat box. Otherwise, I'll show you. It is very easy. If you want to open a Demat account, it is not tough. I'll show you. So you go to our website called courses.ashishchadda.com. Okay, and go to this our course. कोर्स में आप जाएंगे, आपको यहाँ पे there is an option called open a Demat account. So this is a complete video on how to open a Demat account in Angel. Okay, यहाँ पे you will get a links also. So this is a complete video on how to open a Demat account in Angel. So it's pretty easy. Okay. All right. So that's it, guys. I hope update when your weekly expiry levels, Bank Nifty and Nifty. Sir, update on Telegram when your weekly expiry levels. Okay, I'll do that. I have taken shorting position. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. छोटा सा session था एक 1 hour का, and I believe you have learned something good. मेरा एक view था. I just wanted to share my view, and I'll try my best to keep these sessions going forward. Do you think we should keep these sessions going forward? Do you think so? Will this session will help you just to share my views with your view, so that if the view is matching, you can take the position, right? For example, आपको लग रहा है यार ये stock में मुझे short positions बनानी चाहिए, but if you will get my view also, it will help you कि हाँ ये भी आशीष भी साथ दे रहा है या आशीष भी साथ नहीं दे रहा है, इनका view क्या है, so it will give you one at least a little confidence on that, right? Hedging session, Ganesh will do it, पक्का, yeah. Okay. ONGC, ONGC is on the downside ना अभी. ONGC तो इनफैक्ट हमने यहाँ निकाला भी है. ONGC अभी हमने अपना लिस्ट में भी निकाला था. Yeah, it is in the downtrend. So these are the stocks which is in the downtrend, and Titan is one stock which is on the upside as of now. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. We'll do it. We'll try to do it. Keep on doing these sessions. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, and we'll definitely meet soon. Bye bye.